Hey, Salesforce. First, thank you for the great trailhead trails on the MPSP data importer. Very helpful in understanding how the template works and the import processes, the records with the dry runs and everything. Really cool. And I'm going through this and just wanted to share a little bit of feedback where I got stuck, which is that when I went to do the mappings for preferred language and then for the email opt out, I could map preferred language and then I got stuck trying to map email opt out. So, what happens here, if I can just show you, is that when I try to launch the org and do the mapping, I can go to settings. Settings will load. Short summary of the problem. I can't do the mapping in one go. I have to do the pick list and then the checkbox after logging back in. I'll show you what I mean. So configure advanced mapping here. We go to contact 2 because I've already mapped contact 1. And here I'm going to create a new field mapping. I'm going to select contact 2 preferred language and then map it to preferred language. Hit save. I believe that's what the instructions say. Just double check. So it says first map preferred language and then map email opt out, and basically repeating these steps for contact 2. So following these instructions, I've got my preferred language mapped. Then I go to create a new field mapping and I try to map email opt out. And now I don't see the checkbox field. And if I try to search for it, I also don't see this for email. And if I go back to settings, see if reloading the page here, and the org would help. This also doesn't seem to help, as it seems that the configuration or metadata is cached somewhere. So I go to advanced mapping, configure advanced mapping. Uh-oh, no internet. It's no good. Let's try this again. And we're back. Okay, configure advanced mapping. Now let's create a new field mapping and then go back to select that contact 2 email opt out. And again, the checkbox field is just simply not here. The only way I can get this to work is I have to log out. Okay, I've logged out. Now I'll go back to the trail, launch my playground. Okay. All right. Now let's go to settings. And I go to configure advanced mapping. And I go back to contact 2. And now I go to create a new field mapping and I select the contact 2 email opt out. Now I can map to checkbox fields. So there's something very strange with how the settings page is caching metadata, and also it seems like the order of operations matters, and perhaps which pick list I map first, whether I map to a checkbox type pick list first or whether I map a general pick list first. And overall, doesn't stop me, I think, from doing anything, and that I have a workaround. I think it just might frustrate or confuse people who are trying to follow the trail as instructed on Trailhead. So functionality wise, I think I'm all set. Just wanted to share this feedback in case there's any way to either improve the documentation on the trail or to fix the strange behavior in the advanced mapping wizard. So that's all. Thank you again for this great feature, and have a great week.